Hey Peter, it's Mark at Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2016 Silverado 1500 Crew Cab. Give you a shot of the 5.3 liter engine right here. Looking up at the hood, I see a couple of light rock chips. There's one there. Looks like a couple here on the corner. Some light scratches down on the lower air dam. Scratches on the front bumper. I don't know how well these are going to show up. They're pretty light. But over here on the right, I'm sorry, on the left front, there's a dent that goes, small dent, but it goes from here to about this area here. Lower air dam looks good on this side. Grill looks excellent. Front left tire and wheel. On this A-pillar on the driver's side, there's some small dings right here and a scratch up here. Looking down the left side, I don't see anything. It looks good. Light scratches, very light scratches on the interior of the side cap, the side rail. Back left, some light scratches there. Don't know if that'll show up. This is the left rear tire and wheel. Looks like a little paint rub right here too. A little more scratches on the rear rail. Bed liner itself is a Line X, looks excellent. Looks like it's missing all but one of these plastic caps for the movable tie downs. Rear tailgate has a couple of light dings here, light scratches. Missing the L, the chrome L in Silverado. Rear bumper looks good. Top right side rail looks good. Back window excellent. There's a scratch here that runs on the right side from about here down to about here. Some light scratches up above it and below it, as well as back here on the back right panel. This is the right rear tire. These are new tires. Light scratch up here. Otherwise, the remainder of this side looks good. I don't know if that's just wax that got left on. Anyway, that will all buff out. Front right tire and wheel. Door's got a little indent, actually a raised area here, not sure what that is. Door itself looks good. Sill looks good. Seat's got some light staining here and some spots on the center console. Seat backs look excellent. Dash is good. Headliner looks good. It's going to be a little hard for me to film that, but there's the headliner for you. Moving to the right rear. Looks like some fuzz or something in the speaker there. Light staining on the seats in the back. Looks like a good detail would take that out. Sill looks good. Moving to the driver's side. Door looks good. Seat bolster has a little bit of wear there. Pretty standard. Different angle of the seat staining. Again, it looks like it could just use a good detail. And the back seat, right or left side back seat. Give you one more shot of the Line X. Again, it looks like it's in really good shape. There you go. I'm going to get this video into Lauren. She'll get it uploaded and over to you and follow up to see if you have any questions. Thanks for looking, Peter.